Oh! Oh, and it's still hot. Oh. Stay next to the microwave and wait for popping to slow down. Wait, so there's no specific popping time for popcorn? Oh, but there's a popcorn button right there. Alright, who's ready for some perfect, buttery, delicious pop? I'll season it with my tears. Private, we have an emergency. What's the situation? Headquarters just detected a radioactive heating device that's set to blow up in less than 2 minutes. What? Where? It's in the kitchen. No one wants to let the microwave reach zero and hear that annoying noise. My god, that's annoying. I'm on it. You have to hurry. There's 1 minute on the clock. 30 seconds! What? That wasn't 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished? Oh, no, good job, really.